To create a new room, click Rooms, then Create New Room. Then a name. If it's private or not, then OK. And here you go, you have your own room. Okay, so creating a room doesn't usually make sense for non-teachers, but if you're a teacher, you can make use for having your own room. Unfortunately, if you create a room on KGS and you log out, the room will disappear. To make it not disappear, you can write to an admin, either through email on the screen or directly by messaging him or her on KGS. All in the message you just say you want to have a room to teach Go. If you have a teacher's account, then you can speak to your students through KGS, which is okay, but now we have Skype or Discord, so it works both ways. On KGS only the teacher can speak and the students can't.